I'm going to try to catch that sheephead that is at the back of my boat chomping on the barnacles on my motor. Shh. If he sees me or he hears me, he goes scooting off. So you gotta be real quiet. These are sand fleas that I got over at Snook Nook. And I'm gonna put it on a hook. See if I can catch them. Fishing pole because the end fell off of it somewhere during the hurricane. So that's going to be perfect because you won't see it hanging off the boat. I'm going to hide over here in the corner so he won't see me. And just kind of drop the line down deep enough. I'm going to kind of go around the side so you don't see me. I'm going to bring it around the back of the boat. Kind of a sneak attack. Come on, little guy. I know you like those things. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. It only comes at high tide. Low tide, they're not around. Come on, where are you? I know you're down there. I tried yesterday to catch a darn catfish. I'm bound and determined to catch this little guy. Well, he's big. Two of them are small, but one of them's big. Move it over like that. Come on. Take a nibble. Sometimes he goes around the side of the boat. I've seen him over here, and as soon as he sees me, he goes scooting off. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. I know you want it. Come on. I want to eat you for dinner. Oh, he's down there. I just saw him. Go for it. I put a tiny anchor on it so to hold the line down straight instead of the current taking it. He's not biting on that. They eat fiddler crabs, they eat shrimp, oysters. I don't think these guys like sand fleas. I've tried them a couple times. I only nibbled once and I didn't get them. I might have to get some shrimp. guess he's good for another day. Oh, darn it all. One day I cut the engine trying to do this. No, not going for it. He's too smart. Well, I tried.